Ikea Jall is a laundry bag with stand. Let's check it out. This is how it looks when you get it. The good thing with this laundry bag from Ikea is that it is ready to use immediately after you unpack it. So basically you just push the bag to the bottom and voila, it is ready. And it is quite big. You can see here. It is worth mentioning that I have this laundry bag at my other place for around 2 years, and there is no mold on it, even if it's in the bedroom, which is really good thing. When I was originally buying it, I had a fear that it will have mold really fast on it, but no. So that is really good thing. And also it is worth mentioning that if, let's say, this is too wide for you and you want it to make it narrower like this, like I did have that problem because of the door. I couldn't open or close the door when it is completely open. So what you need to do is to unscrew this screw and just shorten this, and by doing that you can decide how open you want for this laundry bag to be. The construction is made of metal, which is really nice. It has a rubber feet. This is some kind of plastic which won't get mold on it. That is for sure, at least in my case. And one of my favorite features of this laundry bag is that when you want to move it, you just can get it with all laundry in it and move it. Really nice. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching. Consider subscribing, and until next time, see you.